Hello, friends. How are you today? This is Mike, and you are listening to 8 Story Podcast. Short stories, easy English, just for you. You can listen in the car. You can listen at the cafe. You can listen at the gym. Relax. Just relax. New York is a big city. It is in the United States. Many people live in this city. Millions of people live here. People come from many countries. Many languages sound in the streets. New York is a city of work. People work in offices and shops. People work in banks and companies. The city moves very fast. The streets stay busy all day. Cars and buses fill the roads. Tall buildings cover the city. Some buildings touch the sky. Money moves through this city. Business is part of daily life. People come here for work. People come here for dreams. New York never feels quiet. The city feels awake always. I arrive in New York today. The city feels very big. The city feels very loud. I step out of the airport. I stand still for a moment. I hold my travel bag tightly. People move fast around me. Cars move fast on the road. The air feels busy and strong. Tall buildings stand far ahead. I look up at the buildings. They feel taller than I expect. This is my first time here. This is my first city trip. I feel excited inside. I also feel a little scared. I take a slow, calm breath. I tell myself to relax. I walk toward the street. The city opens in front of me. I walk down a long street. The street feels wide and busy. People walk in every direction. Some people talk on phones. Some people carry coffee cups. Cars stop and start again. Lights change very quickly. I hear sounds everywhere. I hear voices and engines. I see shops on both sides. I see food places and signs. I smell food in the air. I pass a small cafe. People sit inside the cafe. They look calm and relaxed. I keep walking past the cafe. I take out my phone. I open my city map. The map shows many streets. The lines look very close. I walk slowly and carefully. I try to match map and street. The map feels hard to read. Many streets look the same. I walk left on one street. I walk right on another street. The buildings block the sky. I turn around again. Nothing looks familiar now. I stop walking suddenly. I look around very slowly. I do not see my hotel. I check the map again. The map turns and twists. My blue dot moves slowly. I feel confused inside. My heart beats a little fast. I feel small in this city. People keep walking past me. No one stops or looks. The city does not slow down. I stand still near the road. I hold my bag closer. I see a cafe near the corner. The cafe looks warm and quiet. I walk closer to the cafe. I stand outside for a moment. I look through the window. People sit at small tables. They drink coffee slowly. The cafe feels safe to me. I open the cafe door. I step inside very slowly. The noise feels softer here. The air feels warm inside. I sit at a small table. I put my bag on the chair. I take out my phone again. I open the map once more. I zoom the map slowly. I look very carefully now. I see the street names clearly. I follow the lines with care. I see my hotel name. The hotel is very close, only 2 streets away. I smile without thinking. I feel calm again. I leave the cafe quietly. I step back onto the street. The street feels different now. I feel more confident walking. I follow the map slowly. I walk 1 street straight. I cross 1 busy road. I walk another street calmly. I see the hotel sign ahead. The sign feels welcoming. I walk toward the door. I enter the hotel lobby. The lobby feels quiet and safe. I sit down for a moment. I place my bag on the floor. I take a long, calm breath. I think about the city. New York feels big still, but it feels less scary now. I feel proud of myself. I made it through the day. Tomorrow I will walk again. Tomorrow the city waits for me. Thank you for listening. This was 8 Story Podcast. Take your time. Take it slow. I will see you next time.